About this item: ample storage space with 12 drawers. The rolling storage cart is designed with a spacious tabletop, 8 small storage drawers, and 4 large storage drawers, providing ample storage space for your office supplies, stationery, documents, ornaments, snacks, and more. This is a great solution for keeping items well organized and your room tidier. Effortless movement: the rolling utility cart is equipped with 4 universal wheels, which can be swiveled 360 degrees and moved silently. Moreover, 2 of the wheels can be locked in place for safety. And it also features 2 smooth and ergonomic handles, bringing convenience for pushing and pulling. Durable and sturdy construction: the movable organizer cart is supported by a high-strength electroplated steel frame, which is characterized by excellent sturdiness, rust resistance, and deformation resistance, ensuring long-lasting durability. Besides, the tabletop adopts a metal shelf with meshes, promoting better air circulation. Multifunctional and practical design: with its stylish and chic appearance, the movable storage organizer can perfectly blend into your home decor. In addition, it can be used to store and classify supplies, cosmetics, arts, crafts, or tools in your home, office, bedroom, living room, kitchen, garage, classroom, etc. Easy maintenance and assembly: 12 drawers can be easily removed and effortlessly slid on the metal rail, facilitating the cleaning work. Besides, there exists clear illustrations in the user's manual, and the cart is lightweight, weighs 13 pounds, allowing you to complete the installation